Welcome to my vlog. This is Joselita Ligaspi. Don't forget to like and share and comment.
Materialis mo, mamahal yan.
Stop spinning.
Just gonna bite you again.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what a relief. We have all the babies. And it looks like almost all of them have hatched.
There we go.
But yeah, I was like, no way, they could have escaped the incubator.
No.
Oh yeah, mine would bite you too.
Yeah, to show off.
A lot of hatch people want to do anyway. And because those are we didn't need all the space anymore. So now we have consolidated and the remaining eggs are in this incubator. So it's kind of nice to have both, honestly. So these, I guess I'll put here for now.
Yeah.
They're gonna move in there. So
I will do something similar. Maybe I'm gonna find some rubber we can stick in there instead. But
yeah, so it doesn't look the best having a piece of paper towel sticking
Yeah.
out, but it functionally works.
Exactly.
So that's that.
yeah.
Alright, so now these babies are good to go. So there's still a couple more to hatch.
Yeah.
Ito pwede
I've got a
i-plastic.
really cute one right on top.
Isn't that so cute?
Good morning guys. Magluto tayo ng ulam guys sa pang-agahan at saka pananghalian. Magluto ako ng apretadang manok. Yan. May carrots at saka patatas, bombay at agos. Saka syempre, nagpakulo tayo, init tayo ng mantika para i-ano natin ang agos at bombay. Ayan guys. Bango. Siyempre guys, mag-isa lang po si Mama La. Tabi muna ang kamera. Naglunod pa sa manok. Yan. Pang-agahan at saka pananghalian ko. Naluto na to. Para isa lang gastusin sa gasol. Sa gas. Maya pa natin siya ano guys ha, lagyan ng iba ng mga pikado kasi bago pang lagay ang ano para sumiksit ang laman ng katas ng ano manok ay yung mga panakot sipsipin sa mga laman. Yan. Dito kami.
Gini na lang mo. Ang imo?
Okay.
Ayan. Dapat tatalian mo para tanda.
Okay, tari. Tayo.
Ano pa yung
Ayan na guys. Kain na kami. Yan. Nagpangluto na.
Ito ang binibini naman.
Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.